Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of work per energy. The question here is calculate the work done in raising a stone of mass 5 kg and specific gravity 3 lying at the bed of lake through a height of 5 meter. So first we see what is given to us. Given is mass of the stone is 5 kg and its specific gravity is equals to 3 and the distance or height through which it is to be raised is 5 meter. So we see what is specific gravity. Specific gravity means density of body upon density of water. So I denote density of body by rho B and density of water by W. Specific gravity is 3 and density of body we do not know, and density of water in SI system is 10 to the power 3. Therefore, density of body is equals to 3 into 10 to the power 3 kilogram per meter cube. Now we see solution for this question. Solution. Since the stone is inside the water, lake water, so its weight is not the true weight, but it will be apparent weight. So apparent weight, formula for apparent weight according to Archimedes principle is true weight minus upthrust. So now true weight is mg, upthrust is u. Mg means volume of body into density of body into gravity minus upthrust is weight of the liquid displaced, that is volume of the body into density of water into g. Therefore, apparent weight comes out to be, I take volume, density of body and g common, so in bracket it will be 1 minus density of water upon density of body. So on solving this, now we put the values in this. Volume of body into density into g is mg. Weight of the body into. Now over here density of body upon density of water is 3. So this will be 1 minus 1 upon 3. Mass of the body is 5 kg. G is 10 into 1 minus 1 upon 3. That is equals to 50 into 2 by 3, or that is equals to 100 by 3 kg. So now we have to calculate work done. Therefore, work done is equals to force into displacement, that is equals to apparent weight into height, that is equals to 100 upon 3 into distance we have to cover is 5. So that is equals to 500 upon 3 joule. On solving this, we get this value to be equals to 166.3 joule. Here this is apparent weight, so unit should not be kg, it should be Newton. So now we write answer. What is the answer? Answer is work done to lift the stone is equals to 166.3 joule. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.